this item here, you just put a little bit. The pink salt is actually nothing but a fad for low-grade trendies, but I quite like it. And a little bit of butter, just a small amount, I think, because salmon is not a fatty enough.
There. Charlie, on top. Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, Duck River butter is always the best one to use when you're in Tasmania. It's more authentic. Sorry, Dave. Just a couple of little slices like that, and then just crumble it up a little bit. You don't want too much because it can interfere with the cooking process in some unspecified manner. Now, today we're going to do it. Often people say you should do a special cycle, but those are people who are not environmentally friendly because it uses too much water to take a special cycle in the dishwasher, especially here where we're on tank water. So all decent people use it in there with the other stuff. So we need to wrap it very, very well in foil. So as to make sure that none of the detergent or bits that we picked from between our teeth during the dinner should make it into our dishwasher salmon. So just a couple of layers. Yeah, that's good. Just like that. And don't worry about foil. It doesn't matter. Can support the Tasmanian aluminium industry. And then wrap it, good wrapping, so that nothing can possibly get in. And then just crimp it down like that. And then place it in the dishwasher, ready to receive the jets of hot water. We'll just put it here and we'll go side on here so that more water will come in and go on it. And the heat of the hot water in the dishwasher should be sufficient to cook the meat enough to make it just perfect. Just perfect.